Hey there, future content pro. My name is John Lee. I'm the founder of Precision Growth Partners, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to your very own creator kit. This box holds more than just equipment. It is your stepping stone to truly impactful professional content. You're here because you understand the power of content and social media for your professional practice. We're talking about how it can attract inbound leads, build trust, and establish your expertise all online. But let's be honest, shaky phone videos and those fuzzy webcam calls just don't cut it today when you're trying to build that professional image. And that's why here at Precision Growth Partners, we decided to build this highly curated kit just for you. Inside your creator kit, you'll find everything that you need to dramatically improve your content quality from day one. You'll find a sturdy tripod to capture those stable shots, a high definition webcam for crystal clear video, a professional light so that you can look your best, and last but not least, a crisp lavalier microphone for amazing audio. Each piece of equipment has been carefully selected to be user-friendly, yet deliver a significant leap in quality. No more dark, grainy, or echoey videos. This kit will ensure that your expertise and valuable insights are delivered with the polish that they deserve, making your content more engaging and effective. Now, setting it all up is super simple. We've gone ahead and created a quick video series walking you through each piece of equipment individually. We'll show you exactly what it is, why it's so helpful, how to install it, and even give you a quick before and after comparison. So let's dive right in and transform your content. Get ready to connect with your audience like never before. We cannot wait to see what you end up creating.